Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to travel around the world and how to pay for our accommodation or flights or any other tickets in crypto. So let's start. The website I'm going to show you is called Travala, and Travala allows us to pay for flights, it allows us to pay for hotels or rent homes and pay for all of that in crypto. Travala has been in crypto world for years already, and it's something similar to booking.com or agoda.com. So as you can see, it looks quite similar to booking.com. All we need to do is over here choose if we want to book a hotel or home or maybe flights. Then over here we have to input the dates here, the destination, how many people, we click search, and then it will find us hotels or homes or flights for the destination on this platform. And in the later part we will be able to pay for all of this in crypto. There are several cryptos to choose from. We're going to get to that point in a moment. Let's see what it found. As you can see over here there are some hotels loading over here. And as you can see, some hotels were already loaded here, so let me choose just some first hotel that we saw. Over here, of course, you will be able to see some pictures of the hotels, etc, etc. Choose the room that you want, and let's go to the payment. Okay, so over here we have to, of course, input our first and last name and phone number and email, etc, etc, some basic information. And once we scroll down here, as we can see in payment methods, we've got credit card and also two options to pay in crypto. So this is what we're looking for. We can pay with crypto.com. If you don't know what crypto.com is, it's like a website that then they also have a debit card that allows to pay in normal stores or normal places with cryptocurrencies. So it supports crypto.com portal, it's also like a wallet, and it also supports standalone cryptos over here. So if we click on crypto, we can pay, for example, in their native token, which is AVA, Travala. We can pay in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Stellar, and so on and so on. There is also basic attention token or swipe on the list. So you can pay in any cryptocurrency you want, Nano, Dash, whatever you want to pay in. And after you type in all the information, after you choose the cryptocurrency you want to pay with, we need to scroll down here, click on complete reservation, and then we will see a pop-up to pay, for example, with BAT if we choose BAT. And we'll have 10 minutes to make the payment. If we do this within 10 minutes, our reservation is done, our booking is confirmed, and that way we paid for our hotel or flight or anything else, like renting a home, in cryptocurrencies. So this is a huge step forward towards adoption of cryptocurrencies because it allows anyone, basically anyone, to pay in crypto when they travel. And this website already has millions of hotels, millions of houses, and a lot of flights, and they allow to pay in crypto for all of that. So that would be it for today. Please let me know in the comments, what do you think about this website? Have you heard about it before? And remember to click thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching!